Happy Monday. I haven't been on here in a while, so I thought I would post another card game that you can do with place value. Um, I've been playing a lot of cards with my parents and playing a lot of Skip-Bo and Phase 10 and Uno. So I thought it would be fun for you guys to use some playing cards to do some math. Again, hopefully you're playing multiplication war, and hopefully you are working really hard on your facts and getting better. And I hope you're reading. You can take AR tests now at home, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, hopefully you are staying busy and trying to find stuff to do so we don't get bored, cooped up in the house. On the nice days, you can always go outside, so that's been nice. But Oklahoma weather's weird, so we'll have cold days, and then we'll have hot days, and then we'll have rainy days. So you never know what you're going to get. Okay, so deck of cards. Take out your queens. Okay, take out your jacks. Take out your kings, your jokers. Take out your aces. Okay, and so you just really want number cards, okay? Like 8 and 3, right? 10, 2 through 10, okay? So, and basically you can just, it's not really a game, it's just kind of a challenge, I guess is a better name for it. So what you need to do is, I will step back. I'm going to move this up a little closer so you can see. You do not have to put it on the wall or put it on a whiteboard. I took the cards and had to tape them on there. But normally I would just lay them flat down on the table or on the floor, wherever you're working at. And then have a pencil, pen, paper, and then you write down your answers on the paper. So let me zoom up here. Ooh, I'm moving the tripod. It's kind of hard to see because I am a shadow. So I'm going to scoot on this side. Okay, so what I've done, I have my ones here. And I taped a card here. So pretend this is a table. So you wouldn't have to tape anything. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay? That's all that we need to work on. We need to work up to our 100,000s and get really good on saying numbers in the 100,000s. Being able to do expanded form, word form, and standard form. We talked about those at the beginning of the year. With expanded form, if you remember, it's going to expand across your paper. It is going to take a lot of space. So that is the one where it takes forever. And you should be glad that we don't have to do our math in in expanded form. So let me show you. Okay, so first I'm going to write this number that we have here. I have a 5, a 6, an 8, a 2, and a 9. Okay, so that's my number right there. I'm going to write it up here too. 9, 2, 8, 6, 6, 5. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. And then what you do is I want you to say the number, practice saying it correctly. Notice that every place, when you have 3 places, you put a comma. So if we went into the millions, we'd have a comma here separating the millions and the thousands and the hundreds. Okay, so it's kind of broken up that way. So make sure you have your commas. So the very first thing I like to do is just say the number that you see. I see 928. And then what's the last number I just said? 8. What place is the 8 in? Thousands. And that's when you say thousands. Sometimes you look at this and you're like, oh, okay, it's in the 100,000, so it's 900,000, 2 10,000s, and 8,000s. No, we don't say it like that, okay? And I know it gets confusing. So just say the number you see, 928. It's in the thousandths place. So 928,665. Okay, we don't have to say the ones place because that's where the 5 would end up. So just practicing saying your numbers. If I were to take the 9 away, you would say 28. 8 is still in the thousand, so it'd be 28,665. Okay, put that 9 back though. So on expanded form, you start with the first number, so that's going to be 100,000. So we're going to put 9, and then the rest all become zeros. That's a really bad 9. Okay, and then plus what? Well, there's a 2, and it's in the 10,000s. If I have 2 10,000s, that's 20,000. So once again, though, you just put the 2, the rest becomes 0. So that's an easy way. Okay. 8. The rest becomes zeros, and that's going to be 8,000. We have 665. The 6 is in the hundreds place, so 600. Write the 6, rest becomes zeros. Kind of seeing there's another 6. The rest becomes zeros, which is going to be 1 0. So it's 60. You have 6 in the tens place. And then this will just be a 5. Okay, so that would be how you do expanded form, and then we'd add it all up. If you were to add that all up, and you keep our lines straight, our numbers straight, in the right places, like we talked about. 8,000. We got 660. And when you come to add that all up, right, there's a 5. And then there's a 6. Right? And it's just gonna, look, it's gonna match up, or it should. And you have an 8, a 2, and a 9. There's the original number. Okay? So that's expanded form. And then word form, we write it like you say it, as long as you're saying it correctly. It all works out. So we have 900. I'm going to get on this side so my hearing looks a little better. 900. 900. Yes. Sorry. 928. And it's in the thousands place. 928,665. So you would, just like I said, write it like you say it. 928,665. Okay, standard form is the best way. Remember, standard is the way we do it, the normal way. And thank goodness that we get to write our numbers in standard form because it is way quicker. Okay, so that is just a fun little, too close, thing that you can do with cards. I know you get nervous when it's time to say a number. I know place value is tricky. So have your adult or teenager in your house help you make sure that your place value is set up correctly. You can just kind of set it up like this, make a little chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, okay? And then put your cards right like that, and you can change them out. So you would do it again, practice again, say the number, right? Do expanded form, word form, standard form. So maybe do that, maybe do one a day. Or if you want to get it all done, do 5. Do it 5 times. But it's just good practice, and really need to make sure that we know how to do expanded form, word form, standard form, that you know the difference if it was used in a word problem or just even a test question, that you wouldn't get confused on which one is which. So I miss you guys. I love you guys. And I'm going to be doing another video tomorrow with some Legos. So I'm pretty excited about that. So comment, say hello, tell me something interesting or fun. Just say hi. I will comment back, okay? See you later.